is a Sunday reset, first day of being 26 as well. That is ridiculous. And I sound like this. If I sound different, it's because for the past 3 days I have been having bad hay fever. Generally, some points I thought it's been a cold. The only reason why I don't think it's a cold is because it comes and goes, and a cold is consistent. Yeah, you feel better at times, but you're still congested, and like you still can't breathe when I've been able to breathe. And today's the best day, so let's do a Sunday reset, and I might show you the stuff I got for my birthday, or some of it. I am going to be doing a birthday haul. I'm just waiting for the stuff that my sister got me. And I'm going to Glasgow tomorrow with my friend to like do a little celebrating 2 of our birthdays, so that'd be good. But let's crack on with the day. I don't want to be tidying my room all day, but I also have a charity bag that I need to sort my clothes into what ones I want to chuck, because that goes out tomorrow. And then I've got some new shoes that I need to organise. I'm going to be changing my bed in, sorting my desk. So it's pretty straightforward, but I don't want it to take up much of the day. So let's just crack on. So this is literally all my jeans, all my tops, all my jumpers. So let's sort through, I guess. And yes, I am in my jammies again. It is nearly 6 o'clock by this point. another Sunday reset with me, except it's Monday now. But we started it on Sunday, finished it today, and this vlog will be going up tomorrow. Hope you're enjoying me uploading again onto YouTube. But this is the room. Can't really see. This is the desk. Desk is tidy. And everywhere else is tidy. This stuff here. Ooh. That stuff there is just for vintage, for stuff that I feel like I can actually sell. But I sorted through my clothes, done a charity bag. It's been a very productive 2 days. Now I'm back at work tomorrow, so when you're watching it, it's day 1 of work, and then I'm in the next second day, and then I'm off for the rest of the week, so it's not a too bad week. But I hope you enjoyed this mainly time-lapse vlog, but hopefully you enjoyed it anyway. Let me know what other type of content you want, but I know my Sunday resets do quite well, and like Sunday tidy ups and all that. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you with a brand new vlog soon. Bye. So this is my room in sunset. No lights on. You can proper see the rainbows. And we've got a Liam thing up there. But this is what it looks like. This is my room. Woo! In my jammies now, but I just wanted to show you the room near the end of the video, the vlog, to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna try and keep up with it, well I have been so far, but it's just getting the motivation to keep doing it. But these are my spring jammies as well. Let me know what you think. This is so cute. Bye guys.